Guys, this is Tim over at New Craft Workshop, and I was doing some ordering this morning for my shop and figured I would pop this video up. We're in the process of getting our workbench built, and once that's done, we can actually get back to building some projects. But I ordered a couple items this morning and thought I would share with you guys some pricing that I saw, and it's going to be a rapid fire video. I'm literally going to just show you the item here. We're going to look at a couple of the reasons why I'm recommending it. I'm going to show you price comparison, pop a link down in the description below. All you guys got to do is click on it, order it, enjoy the savings. You could thank me later. So let's get right into this one today. Now, I ordered this particular retractable extension cord about a month ago, and it is out in my shop, and this thing is spot on, does exactly what it needs to do. It's got a couple really cool features. Now, one of them is going to be the fact that this thing has 6 outlets on it, which I know a lot of you guys are going to say 6 is a little overkill, but it's there if you need it. Benefit 1. Benefit 2 is this thing is going to have this little stopper right here. So this ratcheting stopper that you see here on the screen is going to allow you to, my ceiling in my garage is 10 foot tall. I don't want to reach up there on a step ladder or crawl up on my workbench every time. So you can set this stopper to where when it retracts back into the reel, it's going to be able to hang down a little bit, self-adjusting. You just tell it where to stop and it's going to stop, leaving you a couple feet hanging from the ceiling. Is going to eliminate having to crawl up on that ladder to grab it. Pull it out, it ratchets, it stops, give it a little extra tug, it self-retracts back into it. This is a really good price on this thing. $45, 30 foot of cable, 16.3 on your gauge, and it does have a built-in 10 amp circuit breaker, so you avoid tripping your breaker box. If you're like me, you don't want to walk to the breaker box, you'd rather just click the little button on the end of the plug here. Comparable item over at Home Depot made by HDX is $50. It's only got 3 outlets. It doesn't have a stopper. You're going to have to crawl up and grab this thing every time if it's mounted too high for you to reach from the floor. So that's it for item 1. Let's get on to item 2. Now, we've talked about this particular set once again. It's a great price. 5-piece Countersink bit set. It's going to have all of your more common sizes. Number 6, 8, 10, 12, and 16, which is pretty much everything we're going to use out in our shop. This thing is $15 for the 5-piece set. Comparable over here at Rockler is going to be their house brand. It's going to have the same size bits and countersinks. $40. It's like almost 3 times the cost for the same exact thing. Now, this does have tapered bits, which some people prefer. If that's not a deal breaker for you, save yourself $25. Pick up the set over on Amazon. Now, I love Pony Jorgensen. It's basically my exclusive clamp out in my shop. I do have some Rockler clamps, and I have some old trigger clamps from Irwin from years ago, but all of my new purchases are Pony Jorgensen. This 4-inch bar clamp set right here has this nice self-ratcheting feature, super easy to clamp down and adjust. This thing has a 3-inch depth, 4-inch opening, and it also will go down all the way to 600 pounds of your load limit, which for this size of a clamp is completely overkill, let's be honest. But those are the specs, and when we compare it with something over at Woodcraft, this is also their 4-inch version. 3 1/8 inch throat depth, so it's going to allow you to get 1/8 deeper depth. Who cares? It's 1/8 of an inch. $44 each. 2 pieces for $28. It's half the price for twice the amount. No brainer. Let's go next item. All right, sticking with Pony Jorgensen, I love their trigger clamps. Just wanted to throw this one up here real quick. Lowest price in 30 days right now on Amazon. 2 24-inch clamps, $40. That winds up being $20 a piece. Rockler's house brand, their 24-inch clamps, those are $30 a piece. It's $10 cheaper per clamp. I'd pick up 3 or 4 of these sets while they're on sale back over at Amazon. $40 again, lowest price in 30 days. And sticking with Pony Jorgensen, these little spring-loaded clamps are great. This is basically going to give you that third hand just to hold your corners together while you're getting them lined up for bradding them in place or pre-drilling and screwing some stuff in place. The great thing about these is they're a one-handed operation, and They also move, they're self-adjusting, like left and right, up and down. And the benefit of this over a comparable like over at Rockler, this is specific to 3/4 inch thick material. If you want to clamp 1/2 inch thick material together, you have to buy a separate set of clamps, and you cannot mix and match. You cannot use these clamps for a 1/2 inch piece of material on one side, butting up to a 3/4 inch clamp, whereas with the adjustable spring-loaded ones from Jorgensen, you can. Talk about price, 13 bucks for a 4-piece set. The Rockler set is 11. It is $2 cheaper, but again, remember, it is not self-adjusting and it only works on one size material. That's the benefit of going with these Pony Jorgensens. Save yourself some time, headaches, give yourself an extra handout in the shop. This is a great little set of clamps. Sticking with Pony, I'm going to show you about 4 things from them today. Here's their F clamps, $19 for 2 pieces of 6-inch. Great price. 6-inch over at Rockler, they are $20 a piece, so you're getting 2 for the price of 1. Rockler touts theirs as having right here, I'm hoping you can see this on here. They claim that they have these feet that allow you to set these up and maintain stability. I don't know about you. I can't remember the last time I clamped anything down with an F clamp and I needed to stand it up and make sure that it remains standing like this. Save yourself some money. 2 for 1 over at Amazon for the Pony Jorgensens. Sticking with Jorgensen, I just want to show you this one here. This is a 4-inch set, 15 bucks, $7.50 a piece. Jorgensen makes great clamps, 300 pounds capacity, 2-inch throat depth, and 4-inch on this particular size. Some of the other clamps, I believe this one back here, if we look at the 6-inch, now it's also 300 pounds, but we all know we don't need much more than that in woodworking. Sometimes these clamps are rated extremely heavy on their load limits, and we don't need that much out in our woodworking shop. Pony Jorgensen, great products. Pick you up some over at Amazon today. And again, we're going to stick with some Pony Jorgensen stuff. 4-piece wood chisel set. This is chrome alloy, steel, wooden handle. Great little set. If you are someone like me who needs a chisel occasionally but does not use a chisel in all of their projects, this is a great set. 40 bucks. We're going to head over and look at Woodcraft's house brand, $72, almost twice as much. They do offer a cheaper alternative, which is going to be made by Irwin. It's like $50, so even that's $10 more expensive than the Jorgensen set, and it's Amazon, so they're going to drop it off at your front door. You don't have to get out and fight traffic. So all right, next let's look at this XFasten tape, because we've talked about this so many times, and I want to show you guys why this is still the best deal in double-sided tape. So here on Amazon, we're getting a 3-pack, 108 feet per roll, which gives us 324 feet. It's $22. We're going to do a comparable. Rockler finally started carrying XFasten. They offer 3 60-foot rolls, so you're getting 180 feet for $18. $4 more, you're getting double the tape over at Amazon. This is a much better deal, and this stuff works exactly like it's supposed to. It adheres great, but it removes and leaves 0 residue. XFasten is some of the best tape I've used out in my shop, so grab this while it's on pricing at 22 bucks. And this pencil set, I'm not going to show you a comparison on this because it's a pencil set, but what's great about this set is it's got all 3 colors. It's got the dark lead, red, and yellow. Now, yellow I use a lot when I'm using walnut, purple heart. The yellow is going to show up a little better. But what's great also is this set comes with these markers with this really small nib. And on this particular thing, you can see here how it is going to be able to get down in any of your marking and your measuring tools that might have holes in them. This is going to be an awesome addition to your shop. Same on the markers as the pencils, red, black, and yellow. And look at all of the extra lead this pack comes with. This is a great deal for 15 bucks. You probably won't have to buy a set of pencils or lead for a couple years at this cost and with this kind of quantity in this set. So next, let's talk about this Saker scribing line ruler. It's adjustable. I actually showed this hands-on in an Amazon video a couple weeks back. And the reason that I popped it up again today is this thing is 28% off. This is normally $29.99. Look at this, 21 bucks. This thing is great. So it is going to not only give you accurate 90-degree ability to mark out your material at 90 degrees. This has positive stop at all of your common angles, 15, 30, 45, 60, and I think 75. It clicks into place. It has this really cool little component in the middle that you can move up and down the length of it. Drop your pencil, which is included, by the way. The pencil comes with it. Drop your pencil down in there, and you can scribe a straight line across this. The little component where your pencil slips into locks in place. And again, this is extremely handy to have out in your shop. I love mine. It is extremely well made, solid aluminum, laser etched markings. And just for comparisons, you know, the other component that everybody likes to buy for measuring and marking that's red is this woodpecker stuff. And look at the price on this, 140 bucks. It does not move. It has very little functionality out in your shop outside of making your material square, marking your lines square, and doing some simple measurements. But 140 bucks versus $21, and I can assure you mine is extremely square right out of the box. So this is a great product, great price. Grab this today while it's on sale, because I don't know when that's going to go away. And real quick, let's just talk about a couple shop items we use regularly. Titebond 3, 34 bucks over at Amazon. Just for comparison, it's 39 over at Home Depot. $5 is $5, and if you're going through 10 of these a year, you know, you're going to save 50 bucks by picking it up on Amazon versus going to the retail store, not to mention the traffic and the people and everything else you have to fight to get in and out of some of these stores. Wood screws, found this brand over here. $26 gets you a 5-pound box, whereas an equivalent over at Home Depot is $30. Again, a savings of about $4 or so. Same exact screw. They're epoxy coated, tan, torch drive, 5-pound box. You're getting about 800 in each of these. I used to promote LIONMAX a lot here on the channel, but man, I don't know what happened. LIONMAX has gone up. 1,000 count of LIONMAX is now like $39. I guess they caught on that all you guys were enjoying their screws, and they decided that they were going to ask more for them, and they're a little overpriced right now. So this box right here is what I've switched out to in my shop. And as you can see, you can get all the common measurements we would need out in our shop: 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches. The 3 that I used the majority of, but 26 bucks on all of those is still $4 cheaper than Home Depot. Save yourself some money on items like this when you can. And sticking with screws for this last item, let's look at these pocket hole screws. Now, I am showing you LIONMAX because that's the brand that I do use still out in my shop. The pricing has gone up a little bit, but it's still extremely cheap compared to what you're paying for the Craig, which is where you're gonna what you're gonna get when you go retail. Home Depot, Lowe's, specialty stores, Woodcraft, Rockler, they're all gonna carry Craig. LIONMAX, 40 bucks for 1,000. Comparison price, and this is what you're gonna pay everywhere. 25 bucks for 250. To get 1,000 at Home Depot, you're gonna spend 100 bucks. You're spending 40 on Home Depot. Massive savings, 60%. All right, so that's all I got for you on this video. I appreciate you spending a little bit of your time with me as always. Hopefully you guys can find some items here in this video that you need out in your shop. That Saker T-Rule is an absolute steal. Pony Jorgensen, I swear by them as far as clamps, and all the other items I popped up today I use out in my shop on a regular basis, and I believe in them. I stand by them. I wouldn't pop them up on these videos if they weren't worth the savings and the money to pick up and put out in your shop. So links will be down in the description below. Each time you click those, you do benefit our channel with a very small affiliate commission. So that's the reason we do these videos, is it helps keep our channel active. And each and every time you guys take 2 seconds out of your day to leave us a comment, it helps the algorithm get us out in front of more viewers. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, do all those things for us. New Craft Workshop, we are out.